अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आप इकनॉमिक्स विद साजिद के साथ। सॉरी यार, 1 वीक में बहुत ज़्यादा बिज़ी था, मसरूफियात थी, जिसकी वजह से मैं लेक्चर अपलोड नहीं कर सका। आज हम पब्लिक फ़िनांस को डिस्कस करने वाले हैं और पब्लिक फ़िनांस के आज हम 5 टॉपिक्स डिस्कस करेंगे। टॉपिक नंबर 1, द थ्योरी ऑफ पब्लिक गुड्स, फिस्कल पॉलिसी, पब्लिक एक्सपेंडिचर एंड बजट, इंटर गवर्नमेंट फिस्कल रिलेशन, डेवलपमेंट फाइनेंस, पब्लिक डेब्ट। ये सारे के सारे एमसीक्यूज़ पब्लिक फाइनेंस के एग्ज़ामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत ज़्यादा अहम हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द गुड्स द कंजम्पशन बेनिफिट्स ऑफ विच आर लिमिट्स टू पर्टिकुलर कंज्यूमर आर टर्म्ड एज। ऑप्शन नंबर 1, प्राइवेट गुड्स, पब्लिक गुड्स, कमर्शियल गुड्स, डोमेस्टिक गुड्स। ये जो टर्म्स यूज़ की थी, ऑप्शन नंबर 1 आंसर है प्राइवेट गुड्स। द गुड्स द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ विच आर अवेलेबल इन ए नॉन रिवल फैशन आर टर्म्ड एज। ऑप्शन नंबर 1 प्राइवेट गुड्स, पब्लिक गुड्स, कमर्शियल गुड्स, यूजुअली गुड्स। ऑप्शन नंबर 2 आंसर है पब्लिक गुड्स। In competitive market, failure may occur in case of ऑप्शन नंबर 1 प्राइवेट गुड्स, ये सोशल गुड्स होती हैं, कमर्शियल गुड्स होती हैं, डोमेस्टिक गुड्स होती हैं। ऑप्शन नंबर 2 आंसर है सोशल गुड्स। गिवन द लार्ज नंबर ऑफ इंडिविजुअल कंज्यूमर्स, ऑप्शन नंबर 1 वेल नॉट बैड फॉर सोशल गुड्स, वेल एक्ट एज फ्री राइडर्स, बोथ A and B, none of these। ऑप्शन नंबर 3 आंसर है both A and B। Efficient provision of social goods, addition of pseudo demand schedules in ऑप्शन नंबर 1 vertical form, horizontal form, straight line form, parabola form। ऑप्शन नंबर 1 आंसर है vertical form। The theory of both social and private goods is based on the option number 1 premise of consumer civility, the role of community preference, the role of merit goods, all of these। option number 4 answer है all of these। Efficient resources used in the case of private goods require the margin rates of substitution in consumption to the same for all consumers and option number 1 more than the marginal rate of transformation, equal to the marginal rate of transformation, none of these। option number 2 answer है equal to the marginal rate of transformation। The corrective adjustment in distribution, option number 1 cannot be independent of the allocation choice, can be independent of the allocation choice, cannot be dependent of the allocation choice। option number 1 answer है cannot be independent of the allocation choice। A market demand schedule is obtained by adding individual demand schedules। option number 1 horizontal, vertical, permanently, perpetually। option number 4 answer है the federal share in total expenditures which was 1/3 at the beginning of the country is now nearly option number 1 70%, 80%, 60%, 50%। option number 1 answer है 70%। The 1980 have brought a decline in the federal share, especially so if defense and interest rate। option number 1 excluded, included, both A and B, none of these। option number 1 answer है excluded। expenditure concentration is reduced if intergovernment grants are included at the level of option number 1 origin, recipient, customer, all of these. option number 2 answer recipient. The number of local units declines but still exceeds option number 1 82,000, 72,000, 62,000, 92,000. option number 1 answer 82,000. Highly centralized states drive a large of state local revenue from option number 1 sale tax, property tax, capital tax, income tax. option number 1 answer sale tax. Federal grants have grown from $90 billion in 1969 to option number 1 $105 billion 1985, $110 billion 1985, $107 billion 1985. option number 3 answer $107 billion 1985. State aid to local government has grown from $25 billion to option number 1 $105 billion, $120 billion, $130 billion, $120 billion. option number 2 answer 120 billion. The largest program areas covered by the federal grants are option number 1 social service, income, security, health, all of these. option number 4 answer all of these. The most important use state grants is in option number 1 health sector, education, service sector, manufacture sector. option number 2 answer education. The weight of general purpose grants has increased in recent years, but selective grants still account for option number 1 70% of total aid, 50% of total aid, 90% of total aid, 95% of total aid. option number 3 answer. Categorical grants are typically matching in form but differ in their allowances for option number 1 capacity, need, both A and B, none of these. option number 3 answer both A and B. General revenue sharing introduction in 1972 was disconnected in option number 1 1980, 1990, 1985, 1986. option number 4 answer 1986. A beginning has been made towards shifting in emphasis from option number 1 हमारा आंसर है कैटेगोरिकल ग्रांट्स टूवर्ड्स ब्लॉक ग्रांट्स. Local governments now receive their total revenue from grants over option number 1 50%, 30%, 40%, 20%. option number 3 answer 40%. Per capita grants show option number 1 inverse relation to per capita income, no inverse relation to per capita income, both A and B, none of these. option number 2 answer. If a person receives income which originates in various countries, he or she will be subject to taxation by option number 1 one authority, no authority, more than one authority, none of these. Option number 3 answer है more than one authority. In case of income and profit taxes, the country entitled to tax that income is the one in which the income. Option number 1 originates, USE, both A and B, none of these. Option number 1 answer है originates. In matter of product taxes, the equity issues relates to the possibility of building foreigns through. Option number 1 constant price, change in price, constant income, change in income. Option number 2 answer है change in price. If different product taxes are imposed at the producer stage, the effect the relative cost of production a given product in. Option number 1 one country, two countries, various countries, few countries. Option number 3 answer है various countries. The United States reserves the right to the tax the income of its residents. Option number 1 which is earned in the United States, no matter where earned, earned with more specific countries, earned with a region. Option number 2 answer है no matter where earned. A US corporation operating a branch abroad will find the profits of the branch subject to the foreign corporation tax in. Option number 1 US in the country in which it is located, both A and B, none of these. Option number 3 answer है both A and B. With regards to efficiency effects, between the efficiency has seen from the point of view of worldwide resource use and efficiency has seen from a nation's point of view. Option number 1 no distinction is found, a distinction is now draw, none of these. Option number 2 answer distinction taxes. Option number 1 retail sale taxes do not interfere with commodity flows imposed as tariffs. Tariffs mean taxes. All of these. Option number 4 answer है all of these. The taxes which are imposed in the country of a production and do not interfere with the efficient flow of trade are known as. Option number 1 destination taxes, origin taxes, sale taxes, combined taxes. Option number 2 answer a rising ratio of debt to GNP, gross national product, was resumed in the 1980th century when sustained deficits nearly. Option number 1 doubled the level of public debt, triple the level of public debt, highly the level of the public debt, none of these. Option number 2 answer triple the level of public debt. The federal interest bill has known claimed to 3% of GNP and. Option number 1 10% of the federal budget, 12% of the federal budget, 13% of the federal budget. Option number 3 answer marketable issue of the debt includes. Option number 1 bills, notes, bonds, all of these. Option number 4 answer all of these. Bills are mostly issued with maturities of 12 months, but the maturities can also be as short as option number 1 2 month, 3 month, 1 month, 4 month. Option number 2 answer 3 month. No marketable issues are affected to the various groups of investors and can be held only by the option number 1 final buyer, entitled buyer, intermediate buyer. Option number 2 answer entitled buyer. 1/3 of the outstanding debt has the maturity of less than 1 year and only 16% carries a maturity of over option number 1 10 years, 20 years, 5 years, 15 years. Option number 1 answer 10 years. Fears that the outstanding debt cannot be repaid when its maturities are unfounded by the nature of the public debt. Maturing issues are option number 1 refunded, repaid, outstanding, meet. Option number 1 answer refunded. A rising ratio of interest payment to GNP, however, impose a burden because taxation is needed to option number 1 finance the interest payments, impose deadweight loss. Both A and B, none of these. Option number 3 answer both A and B. Public debt is an important investment medium for financial institutions, especially option number 1 commercial banks, insurance companies, money markets, funds, all of these. Option number 4 answer all of these. The choice of maturity structure may be seen as a way of purchasing liquidity at option number 1 normal cost, least cost, highest cost, nominal cost. Option number 2 answer least cost. A various mechanism of burden transfer were considered including option number 1 reduced capital formation, transfer with generation, overlap, transfer with outside debt, all of these. Option number 4 answer all of these. Whether long term rates are above or short term rates depend upon whether rates are accepted to option number 1 rise, fall, both A and B, none of these. Option number 3 answer both A and B. Reliance on outside resources needs option number 1 not to involve foreign of the debt taken the form of capital inflow and associated imports surplus, all of these. Option number 4 answer all of these. About 80% of the public debt in option number 1 federal, local, states government. Option number 1 answer federal. The fundamental need for capital formation and difficulty of generating the required level of saving out of law per capita income are option number 1 answer dominate factors. Measures to induce technological improvements to encourage enterprise and the developed institution making for more efficient use of resources are also of option number 1 manner importance, major importance, option number 2 आंसर है major importance. A cross section sample shows option number 1 simple relationship between public sector size and the rate of economic growth, option number 2 no simple relationship between public sector size and the rate of economic growth, both A and B, none of these, option number 2 आंसर है the rate of tax to GNP of LDS is option number 1 equal to developed countries, more than developed countries, much below that of developed countries, equal to 0, option number 3 आंसर है at low levels of per capita income tax holders are option number 1 very high productivity scare, option number 3 आंसर है scare. Turning to the problem of tax policy, we delight with the general problems of option number 1 taxable capacity, the composition of tax structure, design of particular taxes, all of these, option number 4 आंसर है all of these. Tax incentives to foreign capital should aim at option number 1 minimization domestic value added, maximization domestic value added, both A and B, none of these, option number 2 आंसर है maximization domestic value added. The incentive structure should be designed to consider effects on option number 1 employment, investment, production, both A and B, option number 4 आंसर है both A and B. Foreign borrowing increases the current supply of available resources and thus permits development with a option number 1 less burden on the person generating answer. In human resources, the concept of public capital formation should be interpreted to include productivity, option number 1 decreasing investment, increasing investment, suitable investment, no investment, option number 2 आंसर है increasing investment. In development strategy, rules are played by option number 1 public investment, public leading, both A and B, none of these, option number 3 आंसर है both A and B. Agriculture taxation is of a major importance in most LDCs because of the relatively option number 1 large scope of their agriculture sectors, small scope of their agriculture sectors, large scope of their country's agriculture sectors, none of these, option number 1 आंसर है large scope of their agriculture sectors. If total world income could be distribution to achieve complete equalization, A per capita income, GNP of over option number 1 $3,000 could be established, $6,000 could be established, $4,000 could be established, $2,000 could be established, option number 3 आंसर है.